Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Palo Alto local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing the right moving company in Palo Alto will make your long-distance moves so much easier. We help you move 100 miles down the road or all the way across the country. No matter how far you need to go, we make your moving days so much easier. Our team offers plenty of quality moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Getting the right California Palo Alto moving company may not seem necessary for a local move. The benefits you gain can make a big difference, however. Not only will we keep you from doing any heavy lifting, but we also save you a ton of time. Plus, we know how to handle all types of items properly. The right local Palo Alto movers, such as 3 Movers, will streamline your moving day. Our team will make your move so much faster and easier. A move that might take you a week, we get it done in less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palo Alto moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.